All right, this exercise is a straight arm, straight bar cable push down. And so this is really going to be engaging your lat muscles. This is really focused on getting the sweep of the lat. So if you see the lat hang over there, this is what that's supposed to be engaging. So try to create that mind muscle connection with that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a straight bar on a cable, basically, in a cable machine pulley. You put it at the top. And then what you wanna do is you wanna grab this cable, and then you actually wanna step back just a little bit. You're not stepping back like 2 feet or anything. You're just stepping back a little bit so that at the top of this exercise, you're not gonna be resting the weight. So if I'm right here and I'm going down and I go back up and I rest that's a 1 second rest right there. So you wanna avoid that at all costs. So take this, get back to a position where when you are fully stretched out, you're not resting it at the top. So from here, what you want to do is the first thing is you want to flare your lats forward. So you want to try to roll your shoulders and get your back as wide as possible so that you can start engaging your lat muscles. And then from here, I actually made a video in the tips and tricks section of this site. From here, you want to act like you are pushing the bar towards the ground rather than bringing it back towards you. And that is what's going to work the muscle fibers in the correct angle so that they grow. So you're going to grab this, step back, flare those lats out, and you're gonna push this bar down towards the ground, and then as you go down towards the ground and you physically cannot push it down any farther because of how your arms are, because of how your body is made, when you go as far as you can down towards the ground, it's naturally gonna come back, and that's when you're really gonna get that deep, that squeeze, that peak contraction of your lats. And then back up, feel the stretch. Don't just drop it back down and swing it and drop it back down. You're actually pushing towards the ground, squeezing, getting that peak contraction, feeling it in your lats, and then stretching it back up, getting the stretch at the top, rolling your lats out again, and then bringing it back down towards the ground, squeezing it back, and stretching it on the way up. And that is how you do a straight bar cable rope, or straight bar cable push down.